The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. This Chinese-Malaysian classic pairs a clear, savory broth with bouncy homemade fish balls. The magic lies in making it from scratch. Fresh Spanish mackerel is filleted, with the flesh beaten into a springy paste and the bones simmered into a rich stock. Finished with flowering cabbage, glass noodles, and a scattering of browned garlic, this quiet comfort dish lets the whole fish shine in the bowl. Fish paste. Spanish mackerel, 300 g. Water, 4-5 tablespoons. Salt, 2 1/2 teaspoons. Tapioca flour, 1 teaspoon. Soup. Preserved cabbage, 1 teaspoon. Cooking oil, 2 tablespoons. Garlic, chopped, 2 cloves. Ginger, sliced. Jopple 5 cm or knob. Water, 6 cups. Salt, 1/2 teaspoon. Flowering cabbage, plucked to 5 cm lengths, 150 g. Transparent noodles, WC, soaked, 10 strands. Light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Pepper, a shake. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps 1. Fillet the fish and scrape the flesh. Clean the Spanish mackerel and fillet it. Using a tablespoon, scrape off all the flesh from the bones and skin. Keep the fish bones and skin aside, they will become the soup stock. 2. Beat the fish paste. Put the fish meat into a food processor or cake mixer and beat on medium speed for 7-8 minutes, gradually adding the water until the meat becomes a soft, smooth paste. Add 1 teaspoon of the salt and the tapioca flour, then continue beating for another 8-10 minutes until the fish paste firms up and looks shiny. 3. Shape the fish balls. Wet your hands in salt water and shape the fish paste into balls. Dip each fish ball in salt water before placing it on a plate so the balls do not stick together. 4. Prepare the soup garnishes. Wash the preserved cabbage, soak the transparent noodles until soft, and pluck the flowering cabbage into 5 cm lengths. Cooking steps. 1. Brown the garlic and ginger. Heat the cooking oil in a saucepan and brown the chopped garlic. Remove the brown garlic to a small dish and set aside. Lightly brown the sliced ginger in the hot oil, then fry the reserved fish bones and skin for about 2 minutes before adding the water and salt. Simmer for at least 30 minutes to get a good fish stock. 3. Cook the fish balls. Strain the fish stock and return it to the saucepan. Bring it back to a boil, then gently add the fish balls. When the soup boils again and the fish balls float to the surface, add the flowering cabbage, soaked transparent noodles, and preserved cabbage. 4. Season and serve. As soon as the soup comes back to the boil, remove it from the heat. Season well with light soy sauce, salt, and pepper. Ladle into serving bowls, top each with the reserved browned garlic, and serve hot.